truth and righteousness. Yeah. When you're treading mama land, walking through mama nature, walking through mama nature, or you give mama thanks, or you tell thanks to nature, because if nature is such a loving and giving being, a giving being, loving and giving being, how do you tell mama nature thanks? Because when I say the English language, we don't know what that is. And somehow we can't even communicate with that properly. So, you understand? And then tell us the language when we use to communicate and understand and move each other. We say no language. Them say no language, so I don't know about that one day, how that work out, but or you tell mama nature thanks. I think you tell mama nature thanks. I think you tell mama nature thanks by showing love. I do believe that you tell mama nature thanks by showing love. Because mama nature is loving, so if you show love, you're telling mama thanks. You're showing gratitude. Saying that my no reason at all, no nothing. And if you tell mama, yeah, if you're loving, you tell mama thanks, because mama nature is loving and giving, right? And truth, if you be truthful, you also tell mama thanks, because nature tells you truth by telling you that you can always know that the sun is going to rise in the east and it's set in the west. That is true. From that time till this time, the sun's still doing that, right? So that is truth. So when you speak truth, you is in line with whatever that that again, me, a feeling of my that I kind of come up with my own understanding, overstanding, and understanding. You know what I say? So then now when you say no with righteousness, when righteousness in terms of you give unto others as you like to be given to, because as all mama give to you, as all mama nature give to you, you give unto others. Without the selfishness, without trying to take and not give back, you have to give back. You understand? So in giving, in doing the right thing, you're giving back to mama nature. When you do right by another human being, when you do right by another human being, you in return give mama gratitude, mama nature gratitude, who is always right, because nature don't make no mistake. Nature don't make no mistake in my booking. Any mistake when make a man make it, mama nature don't make no mistake. So if you walk in truth, walk in love, and walk in righteousness, you are paying homage and gratitude to mama nature. That am I. And that is why me not embrace, if you say religion, then the whole earth, mama nature, my religion. Yeah. And then if you want to say, mama nature, my religion, and the earth and the church. And we don't need to go in and structure. We give praise to my creator, and my creator no need for me to give praise to my creator, because we don't know what my creator want from me. I don't know what my creator want from me. I don't know what I need to do for my creator. For the creative force that is pushing me, we don't know what my creator want from me. After we don't know what my creator we can begin to describe my creator, so we don't know what my creator want. Or if you don't know what my creator want, I can fucking describe my creator. me still learn my blood clot self. I still try to learn myself. You understand? And me not try to learn nobody else. Me not have no time to learn nobody else. You understand? Then the time when me have to learn people past, that time the past, so the time when me have no is not to learn anybody else, is to learn me. And in learning me understand myself, understand nature. Me can say, me understand nature, overstand nature to a level, but me not try to figure out what you then tell them, man, no sir, I want to enjoy my life. Why would I even try to fight myself to know the unknown? Why would I even try to fight myself to know the unknown? Me need to just know that in the unknown, the known is there. I'm grasp as much as me can from rightness. Because that makes no sense to me. So, as I said, I think I believe in being, human, I am a human being existing on the premise of love, truth, and righteousness, and in so doing, giving back gratitude to my creative force. Yeah, my creator. I'm not praising a blood clot man, I'm not praising a woman, I'm not praising no one. I give praise to I and I self, because I and I forcing myself to do what I need to do. I and I is the driving force within to do what I need to do. And I know I capability based off of the driving force that is driving from within. And it comes from an unlimited source. Yeah, it comes from an unlimited source that I don't know. Because that it is with the unknown. What says Najib? Yes, so just enjoy the flow. Just enjoy the flow. And just know say. You just do what you have to do. In truth, love, and righteousness. Yes, that's my key. That's my key. That's my key when we use, you know? Yeah, man. The lock within. Feeling in the dark and loving it. Feeling in the dark and loving it. Every minute, every moment, and every second of it. Yes, And the frequency. The frequency of this type of interaction is unlimited. I just pause a bit to share a moment of it. Yes, Are you feeling in the dark? Or are you enjoying it? Are you peeling back the layers and layers and layers and layers of deception? Are you unveiling the veil? Are you awakening your senses layer by layer by layer? It's a happy place to be, you know? Relaxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you feel the need to. Peace out. Just say it 101. Yeah, man.